So getting your first 25 members is the first major milestone and probably the hardest to reach when you're trying to build a successful school community. But honestly, once you get past that hurdle, everything else becomes a whole lot easier. At that point, you've validated the offer because people are actually paying you money. You're gaining confidence that this thing might actually work. You're also getting feedback from your customers so that you can improve your product and make it better. You're getting real momentum in your business at that point. But the problem is most people don't even get there. They get stuck, they lose confidence and motivation, and they finally just give up. And a lot of times it's because they're making this one critical mistake. Most people who start a school community think that they need the perfect course, they need more content, more value, the perfect community before they can start getting paid members and making money. But I actually got my first 25 members doing the exact opposite. And in just 10 months, I was able to go from making $0 to making $18,000 a month. I generated over $430,000 in 18 months, and I also was able to win the school games. And it's all because I didn't waste months of my time and energy creating this perfect, big, extensive course. Instead, I took a sales first and build with approach so I can enroll members first before I added a single lesson to my classroom. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, and I'm going to give you 5 simple steps that you can follow right now to get your first 25 members. So let's jump in. Now, before we actually get into the teaching and I show you the steps, the 5 simple steps to get your next 25 members, I want to talk about the biggest kind of false belief that's out there around launching a brand new school community, a paid school community. A lot of people think that you need to have all the value in place, all the courses built out, this extensive course, lots of value, before you can actually go out and start selling and start making money. And in fact, we teach the exact opposite because a lot of people think that they need to build out the course first before they can go get clients, when the actual opposite is true. And think about this. A lot of people spend weeks, months, sometimes even years building out this curriculum, and that takes them forever to do. They waste a lot of time and energy, and they haven't even sold it yet. They haven't even confirmed or validated that people will actually buy the thing that they're building. So they could spend all this time building something that nobody wants to buy. And how bad would that suck? I mean, that would really suck to spend all that time and then nobody wants to buy it. And so a lot of people also during that phase, they overthink everything, they overanalyze everything, they get perfectionism, and that just keeps them from moving forward, plus the fact that they're not bringing any income in during that period. And so what happens is they get overwhelmed, they feel like they're doing a lot of work, but they're not getting anything back, they're not getting any results, and that's what causes people to quit. So what I want to teach you in this video is an opposite approach that we call the sell first, build with, where we actually map out the curriculum, right? We don't build any of the courses, we map it out, outline it, and then from there we can create what we call an irresistible offer. Your curriculum, your course is not your offer. Your offer is the way that you package that up to make it irresistible to your target audience and make it easy to sell. And so that is all you need to go out and start selling. And then once you've actually sold it, then you can start to build the program with the people that you sold it to. So you have the idea, you have the offer, you can go out and present that to people. And then once you get your first 25 members, if that's going to be your first founding members, then you can build with those people. And this actually becomes a much better experience for your customers, because this is exactly how we've launched pretty much our last 20 programs. We basically map out the curriculum, we create an offer, and then we go to our warm list. We start bringing leads in and having conversations, booking calls, and then we present that offer to people, and then we get our first founding members in for a discounted price, and then we build the curriculum with them. And we'll talk about how we do that in just a second. But I wanted you to get this perfectionism out of your head that you have to have everything perfect and in place before you can go out and start selling and making money. So let's actually head over to the computer and let me map all this out for you and give you those 5 steps to get your next 25 members. All right, so let's start walking through those 5 steps to getting your first 25 members. This is our 10K community blueprint. This is our 4-phase system that we walk all of our clients through to help them to build a highly profitable and fun community, okay? And the first thing that we always start with is mapping out what we call the product roadmap. But this is essentially the curriculum of your classroom course that's going to go into your paid community. So it's basically mapping out the process that you take your customers through to achieve the outcome that they want. Now, when people come to you, when people buy products, they usually have a problem that they're trying to solve, right? And on the other side of that, they have a transformation they want to achieve, their desired outcome that they're wanting to get, right? And so between these two situations, there's a gap. So how do they fill this gap and get from problem they want to solve to transformation? Well, that's the step-by-step process that you're going to take people through to help them go from problem to transformation. And so that becomes the outline of your curriculum, right? And at this point, we have not built any courses. We have not done anything, but we've mapped out and outlined what we're going to be building, right? And so I highly suggest at this point, you do not go and build all this curriculum and all the course material, because what's going to happen is a lot of times people map this out and then they go and they start to build all the content. So they start recording all the videos, getting all the materials and resources together. And this can take weeks, this can take months, this even sometimes can take years. And so what happens during that process is people start to get paralysis analysis. They start to overthink every decision. They start to lose motivation because they're doing a lot of work, but they're not getting any money in return. And so that is what causes people to quit, because you start to lose motivation, you're not seeing any returns, and you're doing a lot of work and nothing's happening. So a better approach would be to now take this curriculum that you've created, and then we want to turn it into an offer. So the curriculum and the product is not your offer. Your offer is the way that you package that up to make it irresistible. So if you're going to create a course, packaging that up with coaching calls, packaging that up with communities. Maybe you've got some tools that you also offer along with your curriculum. And then you bundle all that up and make it a very attractive offer. And then that is what you present to people. And that's what makes it more easier to sell. And so we've kind of perfected the art of creating offers. We actually have AI tools that help our customers take the product roadmap that they created and create an irresistible offer in 15 minutes. And so now once you have this, you're ready to go sell. You're not going to build anything at this point because, again, you have not validated the idea that people will actually buy this thing, right? So if you go and you build out all the course material and you waste weeks, months, and maybe even years, and you're not bringing any income in and you're doing all this work, that's what's causing people to quit. And so what I'd much rather you do is to create an offer. And then once you have the offer, you're ready to go present that to people and enroll your first paid members. And that's how you're going to do it, right? So you're not going to spend all the time creating the stuff. You're going to go out and you're going to go sell it. And then once you get your founding members, let's say that your target founding members was 25 people. Your goal at that point is just to go figure out how you're going to get those 25 people. And I'm going to give you some ways to do that in here in just a second. But you go and you sell those 25 members. And then when you hit that number, and if you don't hit that number, maybe you make it lower. But then what you do is you start to build the curriculum out with them, right? You essentially create pre-recorded training for the first module. And then after the pre-recorded training, which people watch, this is the boot camp model that I like to do, then they come on for a hour to 2 hour live implementation call where you're actually on the call with them, helping them implement what they just learned. And then after the live implementation, they get homework tasks to complete so that they can complete that step of your process. So I make a homework post in the community, and then I have another post to share wins. And what this does is you get to build with these founding members. You get to get their real-time feedback to show you where you can improve and how you can make it better. Plus, if you're like getting people to share wins and testimonials and things like that, that gives you, screenshot testimonials. Maybe you can even encourage people that got really good results to do video testimonials. And that's going to give you social proof so that now when you go and you try to sell more of it, you're going to have that social proof that this actually works. And that's going to make it easier to sell and just a lot more streamlined. Plus, now that you've got those first 25 members or first founding members, you've got confidence because now it's validated, the offer's validated. You're starting to get social proof that this actually works, and everything else is just going to start getting snowballing and getting easier at that point. So don't build the curriculum, create the offer. So at this point, we've mapped out the curriculum. We haven't built it, and then we've created the offer. Now let's talk about how we're going to go out and get our first members. All right, so now that you have your offer and you're ready to sell it, the next thing we got to do is we got to start conversations with people who are a good fit for the transformation that you're going to help them achieve. All right. and the people that have the problem that you solve. So there's layers to this. The first layer is your hot leads, your hot prospects, your inner circle. So these are people in your phone, in your inner circle, people, past clients that would be a great fit. Anybody that has the problem that you're going to help them solve and you think would be a great fit for this, you're going to reach out to them via text message or DMs or however you can get in touch with those people and send a simple message like, hey, hadn't talked to you in a while, love to catch up. I've got something new I'm working on. I think you think it was pretty interesting. Do you have time this week to jump on a quick 10-minute call? Very, very simple, right? And so that's your hot list. The next layer down is kind of your warm list. These are maybe your social media followers that you've had conversations with in the past, people on your email list that have maybe downloaded a lead magnet in the past and you've built an email list. So what you're going to do with these people is you're going to send them a simple email that says, if I could help you get transformation in however long your boot camp is, would you be interested in like jumping on a quick call and let me tell you a little bit about it? Simple email, just to get some engagement and some interest. And if you're doing it in the DMs, don't just go straight into that. Start a conversation, be a real human, don't be a spammer. And then if it feels right, then you can introduce them and invite them to a call. So that's your third layer. The next layer is I want to show you a piece of content that you can create and a funnel to set up with your community to start getting people into your community and then start conversations from there. All right, so if you don't have a large audience or a large email list, then that second layer is not going to really work that well for you. So what we love to do is create a free community, and that essentially becomes our funnel for generating leads, nurturing those leads, and then getting people to join our paid community. So let me tell you a little bit why we do that. So when you are starting from scratch, you don't have an audience, don't have an email list, you're going to be marketing to cold audiences. These are people that don't know you, don't like you, or trust you yet. And it's really hard to get people that don't know you, like you, or trust you to pay you a monthly subscription. It's just hard to do unless you're like really good at ads and you've already got your stuff built out, right? So if you're trying to sell people that don't know you, like you, or trust you yet, it's going to be very difficult to do. So what we need to do instead is get them into a container where we can start to build that authority and trust with those people to warm them up to get them ready to buy. Okay. And so we do that using a free community funnel. And the other thing about a free community funnel is with social media, with YouTube, you're building an audience on platforms that you don't own. You're borrowing the audience there. So if we can get people into a free community, we can start to build an audience that we own. And whatever happens on those other platforms, the algorithm changes, your account gets hacked, that doesn't really matter or impact us as much anymore because we're building an audience on something we own. So the way this works is essentially we drive traffic from social media, YouTube, Facebook ads into our free community. Once they join, they answer membership questions. We get their phone number, we get their email. We push that into a system that follows up with text message and email. And then we have all these other avenues to try to get people on a phone call. We have the automated DM. We have call to actions throughout our free community. A lot of people think about, oh, what content I'm going to put in the free community. I'm going to show you something awesome in here in just a second that you're really going to love. So all of this is working to get people onto a phone call where we're having that conversation. And if they have the problem that we can help them solve and they're looking for the transformation that we help them achieve, then we can present those people with this founding member offer. And that's our third layer to get our first founding members. All right, so now you've mapped out your curriculum. You have an offer, so you're actually ready to go sell. You're not going to build out the course yet. And you're starting conversations with your hot audience, your warm audience. And now we have a system that's going to help us to have more conversations with our cold audience, warm those people up, and then have conversations once they're kind of warm. And then these are the three layers of people that we're going to talk to enroll that first 25 new members to your paid community. And so the next question is, well, okay, so we've got this funnel for cold audiences, but how do we actually get people to start coming into that free community funnel? How do we attract them? And a lot of people also have a question about, okay, I have this free community, but what kind of content am I going to put in there? What goes in my course? And so we've solved that problem by creating what we call the ultimate lead magnet, which is essentially a free course that is structured in a specific way that basically shows people the step-by-step process that you take them through to get the transformation that they're after. It tells them at a high level what each step is, why it's important, the biggest obstacles and mistakes they're probably going to experience and maybe they're currently experiencing, and then subtly shows what you're doing in your program, your paid program, that helps people to avoid those pitfalls, get things done faster and with less effort on their part. And that creates demand and desire for the paid stuff. So what this one course does is it not only is the core lead magnet they're going to use to attract people in, but then once they actually consume it, it's going to build desire and demand to help us convert more of those people into our paid stuff. All right. And this course is super easy to create. We've actually developed a tool where you can just paste in your product roadmap, your curriculum, and then it is trained on building this structure out in a specific way. And so it gives you the script with the actual slide, what goes on the slide. It gives you the speaker notes. And then we take that to a tool called Manus that creates a really nice presentation. And then you just sit down and record it just like I'm doing here and upload it to your community. And then that is the thing now that we're promoting on social media, YouTube, and our Facebook ads to get people, to attract people into our community and going through that funnel so that we can have conversations and present them with our offer. And that's exactly what we're going to do to get those first 25 members. So at this point, you might be thinking, Ron, that sounds great, but that also sounds like a lot of work. Well, let me show you some tools that we've created that helps you to make this a lot faster and easier. So inside of our paid community called Community Builders Elite, we have built a series of tools that I call Community AI. So basically tools that help people to implement every step of our process a lot faster and easier. We have tools that will help you create the offer from your product roadmap. So tools that help you launch and set up your free community, set up your paid community and launch it, drive traffic organically so that you can grow your community without ads. And then we also have a paid ads tool that will write your ads for you so you can scale your growth with paid ads. And then finally, once you started to build up that free community asset to a substantial number of members, we show you how to run different campaigns using the convert tools to monetize that audience. So what I've actually done is I created two videos that I want you to watch. One, walking through the AI offer creation tool. I'll drop that in the description. And another one where I'm walking through creating that free course with AI. So I'll drop both of those videos in the description. And now I want you to implement, get those first 25 members, and we'll see you in the next video.